Hi, it's Marieta. Thank you so much for tuning in. In today's video, I'm going to talk about why law of attraction isn't working for you, why the affirmations are not working for you, what's behind that, and what's up with your manifestation skills. Coming up. Alright, so I decided to make this video because a few of my clients were sort of complaining about the fact that they are not able to manifest. I don't like to use the word manifest anymore for whatever reason. What I trying to manifest, and we were having conversation about that. And also I was editing my book that is being Love is the Law book that is being translated to Slovak this year, and we are publishing the book in European market. And that also reminded me the chapter of duality. Basically, here's the deal, guys. If you are trying to manifest whatever, or let's call it create, whatever you want to create in your life, or call it in, and you are not able to do it, and you are using the law of attraction technique, if you will, it's because I personally believe that it's not enough. And it's not enough because in order for you to create the reality of your dreams, or whatever you want to call it, you need to do deeper healing. And this is the missing piece, and I'm talking about this in my book. There is a specific chapter called Law of Duality, where I talk about the importance of embracing the darkness, importance of understanding that if we want to create whatever that is we want to create or call in, we need to embrace the darkness. And in fact, I was making a couple of videos already in the series of 5D Ascension Support, where I did talk about the darkness and the dark night of the soul and all of that. And it's because we need to embrace the darkness. We need to do the deeper healing. The manifestation will happen when you match the frequency to the reality that you want to create. And that's not going to happen by just affirmations, right? No, it's not. It's not going to happen when you just visualize and meditate and you are imagining things to be done. It's not going to happen if you feel it in your heart that it's already done. And this is usually something that, people preach, especially in the law of attraction community, new age community. And not that many of them are actually talking about the reality. The reality is that you have to do the healing. You gotta do the healing. You have to really go deep. You have to heal the subconscious programming, the subconscious blocks, the subconscious limiting beliefs that you have stored in that subconscious mind, many times from childhood, many times from even past lives. And when you do that work, it's a deep inner healing work. When you do that work, you will become the match to the frequency of the reality that you want to manifest. And guess what? In that case, you don't have to really visualize anything. You don't have to feel into anything, because it's going to be matching the reality of your desired outcome, and it's going to come to you. Right? For example, let me give you an example. If you want to multiply your income, for example, and you are not able to get out of debt, if you are doing everything possible, if you are implementing the best marketing strategies, if you are implementing everything you can in business, and you still are in debt, you still have issues to pay your bills, it is because there is a deeper limiting belief within you that you are not worthy to receive. And you have to really dig deeper and replace this and heal this. So it's really about deep healing that needs to happen. And once this deep healing happens, then you can free yourself, and then you will become energetic match to that reality where you are actually making money. And I know this from my experience when I actually did everything right with my other company, and I was hitting a wall, and I couldn't understand why am I hitting this wall, what is up, what am I doing wrong. And then when I started to actually work on myself and I did the deeper healing and I aligned with that vision, then things happened. And I was able to 5x or 10x my income. I don't remember. This was 3 years ago or 4 years ago, actually. 3 years ago. So yeah, this is it, guys. Like, you gotta do the deeper healing. You can't just expect things to manifest, because there is this law of attraction community preaching that you have to visualize, you have to imagine it, and you have to want it, and you have to feel it. Like, that's not enough. Like, no, because 95% of your reality is governed by your subconscious mind, and that subconscious mind is subconscious mind. And there is a great quote from Carl Jung, who is exactly talking about that. Like, if you actually uncover, and if you never uncover your subconscious mind, and if you never change those limiting subconscious beliefs, you will call it fate, and it's going to be directing your life, and you will be wondering, where is this coming from? So the answer is deep work. And I do have practical exercises in my book, Love is the Law, that is going to help you really do this inner work. So I'm going to link loveisthelaw.com link for you below this video. You can get the book. By the way, if you are outside of United States, you can still get the book, because there are some people asking me if they can get the book. Yes, you can get the book, especially if you're getting it on Amazon. And if you're getting it in Australia, Canada, you can even get it in a physical form, right? But if you are in Europe, for example, or if you are in India, you can get it through Kindle, or you can even get it through Apple Books or Google Books. But the book has practical exercises, so you gotta do the work, guys. Like, there is no other way. I've been coaching clients who sometimes don't want to do the work, but they gotta do the work, because it's not that I help you, you need to help yourself. You just need the guidance, right? And that's how it is. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you guys think. Leave a comment below. If you are new, make sure to subscribe, and if you like this video, share it with people who might benefit from this information, and make sure to subscribe, hit that bell notification button so you are notified every time I release new content, and stay tuned for upcoming videos. Thank you so much for tuning in. See you soon. Bye.